Pp405 Hair Loss Drug Review. Is it legit or total scam? Pp405 is a new drug being studied for hair loss. Unlike older treatments such as minoxidil or finasteride, Pp405 works in a different way. Instead of changing hormones, it targets the sleeping stem cells inside hair follicles. By waking these cells up, the drug encourages them to divide and grow new hair. This approach makes it exciting because it could regrow hair naturally. In the first human trial, people applied Pp405 to their scalp once a day for a week. Scientists found that the hair follicle cells became more active, and there were no serious side effects. This was a strong early sign that the treatment might work. In a later study with more people, those who used Pp405 showed over a 20% increase in hair density within 8 weeks. The results appeared quickly, even after treatment had already stopped. This speed is unusual compared to other hair loss products. Importantly, Pp405 stayed safe and did not enter the bloodstream, which makes it even more promising. Right now, Pp405 is still in testing and not available for sale. If the next stages are successful, it may be released around 2027 or 2028. So overall, Pp405 looks like a safe and powerful future option for hair regrowth. But more testing is needed before it can be trusted fully.